Thais use an abundance of aromatic herbs and spices to add intense flavours and taste to their meals. Garlic, lemongrass, turmeric and kaffir lime leaves are the main ingredients in curry paste, but they're also commonly used in stir-fries, salads and tom yam. Galangal, which is similar and often used instead of ginger, is extensively used across Thailand in curry pastes and tom yam. Thais often add young ginger to their soup or to brew a refreshing tea. As ginger and galangal roots age, their flavour intensifies, but their flesh becomes more fibrous. Krachai, commonly known as finger root or Chinese ginger, is often included in curry pastes or finely sliced and added to stir-fries. In the West, fresh krachai can be hard to find, and it is often only available pickled or frozen. Thai basil, which is stronger in taste than the Italian variety, can be identified by its darker leaves and purple flowers and stems. Considered to have a subtle licorice or mint flavour, this sweet basil is used in many Thai dishes. Another fragrant herb with many uses is coriander. The leaves can be used as an ingredient and garnish, while the stalks are often ground into curry pastes and sauces. Thai cuisine is well known for being spicy. Chili is of course widely used throughout the region and was introduced by Portuguese missionaries only in the 17th century. Generally, the smaller chilies are the hottest, with the tiny red bird's eye chilies, also sometimes referred to as Thai dragon chili, being the hottest of them all. Long red, green and yellow chilies are generally sliced and added to stir-fries, salads and curry paste, with the green variety tending to be milder than the red.